Hello everyone, I'm Henry. Also to come to your current studio, currently a one-man studio, and it means I'm the only people who work on all of the project you have seen so far on this channel. If you ask me, then who is Henry's guitarist? Well, this is the other name that I use when I work on software family projects. And also, I often say we in the comments. That's because I hope that there will be more people who want to join me, but it's end up I working alone. Furthermore, I'm still studying and currently in my most important year so far at school. This makes me have a very limited free time due to the lack of videos and project progress recently. To make matter worse, my country also have a education level and I make things even harder for me in the next few years. So I just want to say that it could be even a longer time for me to do any other videos. Plus, I'm still an animator who not even go through any specific education for this. I even skipped a step to make the Guru donuts, and it did help me a lot that I will have a faster start compared to other people. But I have to pay off that it pay off to be that I have a lack of vendor knowledge. And this was proven in lecture studio that it have a lot of downside and wrong given informations, which namely could say provide animation tutorial. Anyway, this video will tell you about how to use my most recent rig, also my first rig as well. So before we start, I will show you some of the shortcut key for you to use if you don't know or already forgot. For now in this video, I will only tell you about how to use the rig rather than the accessory on other problems. First thing first, this is the few things I could explain about the rig. The big fast curve around the ball is not the rig at all, but a parent object that helped me control the whole rig because of the actual rig inside it didn't work properly and was locked in a specific area. I will try to fix this error in the near future if I have time. So you can select this clip to move the ball around the scenes by the shortcut key G for move, S for scale, and R for rotate. Next up, if you want to have the animation like visible animation, then select the armature inside the cube. Then use the shortcut key Control Tab. Go to change the pose mode. You can do the same thing to get the back to the original mode, which is the object mode. At here, you can use the big cube under the ball to move the whole thing around. Same use like the big outside one. The faceless sphere, the faceless sphere above help you rotate the character to make the rolling animation like this. The plane axis control the eye. Make sure to use it wisely so you can make a cool animation like this, like what pixel animation is doing right now. The bone on the top of the character will help you. The bone that on the top of the character will help you control the simple deform of the characters, making cute squeezes in your animations with the char- characteristic factor of 3D Countryball animation. Then to the important part is animating the eye. Selecting the bone over here and open the setting on your right side. Open properties and to get access to this variable. You can change the number and to change the number to get a character different emotions. Now come to animate. Should make sure not to change any frame during changes. And remember to select the object that you are changing the motions and press I to get access to insert keyframe menu. To animate the eye, you have to point your mouse at the number and press I to insert keyframe or right click and insert to access to the menu that you can insert or delete it and such more things below. So that is the short tutorial for how to use my Contribute rig. However, this is not all of the things I want to say, and this also not the final result for this rig. I still have to update it as well as keep learning and improving my animating skill. I would also want to give the thanks to all the people who have and still following me. If you have any problem or question about Blender, you can direct message me on Discord with the profile on the screen. I will try my best to help you. And thank you for watching and hope to see you somewhere in the future. So here's some of my planned projects. Is try to remake a music videos, which is about maybe less and maybe next year. Make the intro for the studio, which is maybe in the next few months. Massive animation project, which is going to be uploaded in 2026 or 2027. Update the rig, which is I don't know. This will be take a long time for me to learn and find the best way to fix the rig. Anyway, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and hope you have a nice day.